Good morning, everybody. Today we are a long way from Pennsylvania and we're in Florida for the weekend. We wanted to come here and just enjoy some warm weather. So of course we're going to be doing some hiking when we're here. So we're in Hollywood, Florida, and we're at the Kolb Nature Center. So we decided that on the first day of the trip, we'd let our teenagers sleep in. So just my husband and I came here to do this hike in the early morning. So this opened in 1996, and there's more than 1,500 acres of coastal mangrove wetlands that are a sanctuary for plant and animal species. So you can see there's a south trail that's 2.3 miles. There's a walking and bicycling path. Here's where we are. Maybe we're going to go out to these observation towers and the different lookout points and check that out. I just love these palm trees. It looks so different from home. So they were doing a little bit of construction work in the park, and that's why you can hear a truck backing up and some background noise. As we get further into the trails, we're going to get away from some of those sounds. Oh, neat. All right, let's do that. Okay, so pretty cool views from up here. It was about 5 stories of stairs you had to climb, but these were like regular concrete stairs, not your like shaky fire tower stairs, so it didn't feel scary or anything, but really awesome kind of view of the forest, the waterways. You can see the beach off in the distance, so definitely worth it to climb this tower and check it out. You can definitely hear a lot of creatures and birds moving around in the like mangrove mud kind of, but you don't see anything because the brush is so thick. So hiking here in Florida is so easy. These are boardwalk trails, family friendly, handicap accessible. Anybody can do these. And it's really great. You would need the boardwalk trails here because of the mangrove and the mud and all the water. You definitely couldn't hike through this. So really cool setup and accessible to everybody here. We're surprised we haven't seen too many birds. We saw one and it flew away before I could get a picture of it, but it really is beautiful out here. We're the only people we've seen on the trail. We're here about 8 o'clock in the morning, so really a nice time to visit. No bugs or anything like that. There's a little bit of a breeze, but the warm weather just feels amazing compared to home. And of course, after I just recorded myself saying we haven't really seen any birds, we saw several of them in a row, so that was pretty cool. All right, so now we're gonna try this mud flat observation trails. Depending on the hours you visit, it looks like there's a really nice nature center, there's restrooms, looks like you could rent kayaks from here, so lots of different options. The mud flat trail takes you over muddy areas affected by a high and low tide twice a day. And in the earlier part of the video, we saw some of these tree crabs, but we'll see if we can spot anything else on this trail. So it feels so strange to go out hiking and grab sunscreen, bug spray, and a backpack with my gear because at home, if you've been watching my videos, I've been hiking in the snow in the cold weather, and you have to just get so many layers and so much gear to go outside. This is just such a welcome change for the weekend to just be able to go out in short sleeves and a t-shirt. It's so nice. Now it's changed from a boardwalk portion to a paved portion. So all along the trail here are just these mangrove trees. And you can see their root system. They make this kind of tangled root that helps keep the soil in place and stabilize everything. But the whole area is just covered with them. So we thought the Kolb Nature Center was fantastic. There's no fee to hike here. There's plenty of parking. So now I want to show you where we stayed in Florida. So we stayed in Hollywood Beach at the Marriott Hollywood Beach. We love this because it was beachfront, and included in your $20 a day resort fee was bike rentals. You got 2 beach chairs on the beach. We just thought it was a really nice hotel, and we liked having the access to the beach and the pool area. Some of the things my kids really enjoyed, they had unlimited smoothies at the pool each day, with 2 different flavors. The kids love that. They had champagne and snacks every day in the lobby. You got the 2 beach chairs on the beach, and the pool area was just beautiful. It was in the 80s when we were there, so we were able to swim, and then it had a hot tub as well. And if you wanted to go take a dip in the ocean or sit on the beach, you just had to walk steps to get there. I always like to try to stay in the budget, so we didn't get to book an oceanfront room, but we were pleasantly surprised that our room looked out on the roof and we still had a glimpse of the ocean and the beach. So we really enjoyed spending time on the beach, soaking up the warmth. We biked the Broadwalk with the free bikes from the hotel, and then we also enjoyed walking the Broadwalk in the evening when the sun went down. I woke up early one morning to try to go down and capture a time lapse of the sunrise, but the clouds didn't really cooperate, and it just seemed that the sun could never make its way through the heavy cloud cover, but it still was very pretty and a relaxing experience. So we're going to have a few more additional videos coming up from Florida, so stay tuned for those. All 4 of us went out and hiked at a different nature preserve, so that was wonderful for the whole family to be out on the hiking trail. We also rented some kayaks from a local park, and we kayaked through some mangrove tree tunnels, so we're going to share that with you as well. So I hope when you watch this video, maybe it warms you up a little bit if you're somewhere cold. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.